Everybody. My name is Pinaki, and welcome to a new video on my channel. So, today's topic would be banking products for individual and HNI. So, this is part two, which is extension of my previous video. Uh, Now, the key takeaways from this video would be what are the different product offerings which are provided for individual HNI or sole proprietors, and what are the different innovations which are going on. Now, let's look at um, all the products which are offered under different grouping. So, the first one is accounts. As we saw earlier, this one is around savings account. So this first customers with a product where they can save their money and withdraw at any point of time as per the need. Primary innovations which are happening around savings account are uh, smart account, right? So what is it? So wherein this has different options like this provides a mod facility where the money can be a daily balance can be pulled out, unused balance can be pulled out for earning some interest. It also provides you with income, expense analyzer, and forecasting. There are a lot of other innovations also that we'll talk about in this video. The next category is about fixed income. So, where we have primarily two offerings, one is fixed deposits and one is recurring deposits. Now, here there are a lot of innovations which are going on, like deposits with easy switch option, right? So, this provides option to move to different kinds of account as per the customer need. The second one is around deposits with easy daily interest redemption. So nowadays you would see that there has been deposit accounts created by different fintechs where you can save your amount daily basis. Money would be deposited or accrued against your account, and if you need that portion of interest or the total uh, deposit amount can be withdrawn, right? So some of those financial institutions like 12% club, 13% club, these are coming up with these kind of innovative products. Now, there has been other innovations also in this area like variable rate deposits. So you would have uh, done the deposit with some interest rate, and as the interest rate increases in market, your deposit balance also reflects that in terms of interest computation, right? So these are innovations, those are happening in deposits. Third segment is credit. So in credit, we have primarily products that can be grouped as either a credit card or loans. So under credit card is a new thing, but under credit card, there has been some innovations like pay later cards. So wherein you would do some transactions, those transactions get converted to a loan, and you would be able to pay that amount through installments, right? So nowadays, a lot of fintechs have come up with these products. Now, there has been reward cards as well. So wherein you would you would ask me that what is new, but nowadays a lot of reward options are being introduced, like your cashbacks or purchases, additional purchases, right? So those innovations are increasing to attract more customers towards rewards. Um, in secured loan category, primarily you see mortgage, different kind of innovations happening in terms of different types of mortgage loans, in terms of vehicle loans, or it can be in terms of HELOC, right? So HELOC is actually home equity line of credit, which was very prevalent in US markets, where you can take a loan based on your existing property and use it for some other purpose. So those kind of products were not common in India and other regions, but those are also coming as part of innovation. Now, under third category, which is unsecured loans category, there has been a lot of innovations. Those are happening in terms of personal loan space, where 5 minutes disbursement you would have heard about, or same day disbursements. With digitization of all this verification process, a lot of innovation is happening in terms of reducing the turnaround time for customers to get financed. Right, there has been new products innovated in terms in space of overdraft, educational loans, and even there are a lot of innovation in terms of special purpose loans. So it might be for different purposes, right from your marriage, travel, right? So a lot of customization is happening in terms of um, special purpose loans. The day is not too far where you would like to create one loan, or you would plan something from your day beginning, and you would see your travel partners would facilitate those kind of loans using embedded finance from the third party lending providers. So that would be definitely a innovation very soon. So those are categorized under special purpose. Now the fourth category is market linked, where primarily we see mutual funds and demand. Here as well, there has been innovation in demat accounts. You would have heard about discount brokers like, let's say, Zerodha or Grow. So these fintechs are now coming up, where you would have to pay very less brokerage for your daily tradings, right? So discount brokers are coming up in market with a very successful model. Now there has been intelligent brokers where you would get advice, buy and sell of your securities. So those kind of innovations with differentiated strategies are coming for demat. For mutual funds, there has been innovation in terms of providing customers access to direct mutual funds. So wherein a certain percentage of your fund management charges is actually given back to investors as income, and they have to forego certain services which reduces the overall cost, right? And that cost of the company is passed as additional returns to the borrowers. So there has been innovation in terms of direct mutual funds. There are multiple parties like coin provided by Zerodha, even ICICI Prudential, AMC, these are coming up with direct mutual funds. Uh, the next one in this category is value added. So, wherein money transfer or guarantees and forex were the primary products. So, in terms of money transfer, also there has been innovation for interborder payments, multi-currency payments. In terms of forex, we see innovations happening in terms of providing international travel cards. So, wherein customers would take a card from one country and would be able to utilize that card with minimal uh, forex exchange charges in other countries. So, a lot of innovation is happening in that area. In next one, which is your payment space, we have primarily bill pay, prepaid vouchers, and automated payments. So wherein additional value added services are coming in terms of automated biller payments. You would set one instruction in the year beginning, and every month as that bill comes to your inbox, your biller gets that information and processes those payments, right? There has been also innovation in terms of gift cards and vouchers. So there has been multiple vouchers which are been provided by third party players, which are actually non-banking players, to facilitate gifts for additional e-commerce purchases, right? So those are Amazon vouchers, along all those things. You would be seeing that pretty common these days. uh, the next one is about insurance products. So where we have different kinds of insurances. uh, Apart from your life insurance and all, we have equipment insurance and third party insurances, even hazard insurances, which are being provided and innovated in this area. fire, flood insurances are very common these days. Next category are hybrid products. So, wherein we have already discussed about account backed overdrafts or deposit backed overdraft or loans, and even unit linked insurance plans, which is your ULIP. Now, we have already seen about these channels. So, all these channels facilitate customers take all these different kind of products. One key factor to note here is that with the advent of open banking in Europe, or we may call it as API banking in India, or ESD2, uh, or even CDR in Australia region. So there has been a lot of innovations happening in terms of providing uh, customers information, your account information, and even the ability to initiate payments by non-banking players. So you don't need to go inside your bank to make a payment. It can be done through a third party or an external player as well, right? So utilizing these modern terms, like you would be seeing in India, UPI is quite prevalent, that you can make any kind of payments through UPI without any hazard of losing your important information. So utilizing those innovations, there has been multiple developments specifically surrounding your savings account. So now you would have a savings account, and you can create multiple UPIs in multiple third party um, apps, where uh, you can do further transactions, right? So all these are uh, different kinds of products offering and innovation. Those are happening specifically for individuals, HNI, or sole proprietors. I hope this video would have uh, made some parts clear in terms of what are the different innovations which are happening in market. I would have one more video for specifically business customers to look at the innovation, product offerings, and the innovations which are happening in business space. Thanks a lot for watching my video.